12 Ways to Stop Snoring Naturally. Welcome to my channel Munir Health. We provide daily videos on a wide range on health issues. Snoring, also known as snoring during sleep, is a symptom that occurs during sleep. The back of the throat is narrowed. When the sleeper breathes in, an amount of air enters, but due to passing through a narrower area, that narrow area may be in the nose, mouth or throat, causing the surrounding tissue mucosa to vibrate to create a kind of sound that people call it snoring. People who snore often do not listen and know that. The snorer emits snoring that annoys those around him, sometimes even having a negative impact on the married life. However, the real concern is the health of snoring sufferers. As a result of snoring, the brain does not rest completely after a day of activity, causing the patient to become dull and tired. More serious are disturbed brainwaves, which can lead to memory loss, productivity, fatigue, difficulty concentrating and daytime drowsiness. Snoring in children, in addition to hindering brain development, can lead to apnea and death. The cause of snoring. Obesity. When obese, thick layers of fat on the throat changes the structure, narrowing and obstructing air circulation. People who are fat, swollen neck, or inflamed thyroid are also prone to snoring. Smoking causes the mucosa in the throat to swell, causing a blockage and narrowing of the airways. Chronic sinusitis and stuffy nose. Chronic sinusitis and stuffy nose cause patients to breathe through their mouth. Heavy drinking and sleeping medications can also cause snoring. Men and women at menopause are most likely to snore. How to cure snoring naturally. Snoring is annoying for everyone. So how to stop snoring? If you or your loved one is snoring, try these simple and effective ways to cure snoring. Number 1. Wear knee-length socks at night. The researchers found that knee-length socks not only work to prevent hematoma in the leg during long flights, but also can help us against snoring. The latest research from the University of Toronto, Canada, found that patients with sleep apnea, if wearing knee-length socks in the evening, reduced the amount of fluid moving to the neck and reduced nearly 50% of sleep is interrupted by snoring. Number 2. Avoid overeating and avoid eating too much at dinner. In daily meals, especially in the evening, you should not eat too full, because it can both have a bad stomach effect and cause snoring at night. When you finish eating after dinner, you should take a physical exercise to help digestion faster and also help you sleep better, deeper. Number 3. Cure snoring with honey. You should take a little honey before bed, as this is a very effective food to stop snoring. In addition, honey also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects on the body very well. So you should take a few drops of honey before going to bed so you always have a better health and treat snoring that causes discomfort to others. Number 4. Treat snoring by staying away from alcohol and giving up smoking. There is no medicine to treat your snoring if you do not give up drinking. Because alcohol inhibits the central nervous system, the muscles in the throat are constricted and the air is blocked in the throat, causing uncomfortable snoring for those around. Therefore, if you want to avoid snoring, you must first reduce the consumption of alcohol to a minimum. In particular, you should avoid drinking alcohol 4 hours before bed. Number 5. Create a habit of drinking tea to cure snoring. Tea is considered to be one of the best effective prevention and treatment of snoring. It works to reduce congestion in the throat by cleaning mucus in the throat, making it easier for air to circulate. You can use regular green, peppermint or black tea, which is also great for treating snoring for you. Alternatively, you can combine teas with lemon or honey for the best effect. Number 6. Hard labor can also make you snore. Arranging the best diet and nutrition will be an effective way to treat your snoring. Number 7. Need to completely eliminate allergic rhinitis. You need to support pillows a little higher, so that breathing easier, so will reduce snoring a lot. Number 9. Lose weight if you are obese. Exercise regularly, both to lose weight and increase oxygen to the brain. Do not use sedatives or any medications that cause the muscles in the throat to sag. Number 10. If there are complications in the heart and lungs, the patient should be wearing a high-pressure air pump, bringing air into the nose and lungs, helping to breathe normally. Number 11. Can use a dental tool to make the jaw does not sag and small tongue does not block the trachea. Number 12. Also, try some simple exercises with your mouth and tongue. According to the researchers, these exercises can significantly reduce this snoring. First way. Push the tongue back. People who are snoring may try to push the tip of the tongue against the roof of the mouth and the tongue slides backwards. The second way. Squeeze the entire tongue on the roof of the mouth. Press the entire surface of the tongue onto the roof of your mouth as if sucking something. The third way. Put the tip of the tongue behind the incisors and lift the face of the tongue like the pronunciation of the letter A. Doctors tested these 3 methods on 39 randomly selected patients and treated within 3 months. The results showed that they had changed markedly, reducing the frequency of snoring by 36% and the sound of snoring decreased by 59%. If the disease is too serious, this procedure is very fast without anesthesia, only treatment about 3 to 5 times is effective. With the best ways to treat snoring, you or your family member who is snoring can effectively treat snoring, avoiding annoying people. I wish you good health. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment about the video. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos.